Zorin OS versus Linux Mint. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Zorin OS and Linux Mint. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Let's first talk about Zorin OS. Zorin OS is built to look familiar to users switching from Windows and macOS. It has a polished user interface and offers different desktop layout options to mimic other operating systems. Pros of Zorin OS: multiple layout options for better user experience. Comes with Zorin Connect for syncing with Android. Great choice for beginners. Based on Ubuntu, ensuring compatibility and updates. Cons of Zorin OS: slightly heavier on system resources, less community support compared to Mint. Now, let's talk about Linux Mint. Linux Mint focuses on simplicity, speed, and usability. It offers three desktop environments: Cinnamon, MATE, and XFCE, giving users flexibility based on system performance. Pros of Linux Mint: familiar Windows like interface, strong community support, pre installed applications for daily use, very stable and reliable. Cons of Linux Mint: interface may look outdated to some, fewer customization features compared to Zorin OS. So that's basically the main differences are between Zorin OS and Linux Mint, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.